Well, hello and welcome to Phoenix Bricks. And today, with the release of the LEGO Ideas Medieval Blacksmith set, I was having a look at the Black Falcon cart that came with it. Now, it's fine, but clearly the focus of that set is the building, and the cart itself is clearly designed with minimum number of pieces. So I thought I would give this cart a bit of an upgrade, something a bit more fitting of the Black Falcon style, and something that you could potentially carry a few more weapons and stuff like that in, seeing as it is a blacksmith themed set. I did use much of the same design. It's the same size. It's got a lamp off to the side. It uses the picket fencing to represent the sideboards. But overall, a lot more detailed, a bit more functional, and something that you could use with the blacksmith set or any other medieval setting. So let's see how it's built. So there you go. Proper Black Falcon cart, I think. Fairly easy to put together, but plenty of details. I do like the way I managed to get the shields to go in between the wheels. It took me a little while to figure out how to do that. But the back of the cart can fold down for access, loading and unloading. And I did make this weapons rack in the back. You can make similar stuff, you know, armor stands, that sort of thing. I just tried to make something that would fit the maximum amount of weapons and armor on there that could be easily taken on and off. So I think I'm going to pair this with the Medieval Blacksmith set once I get it, and maybe you will too. Either way, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you again.